A brief comment on the wonderful barbecue chicken we had the other day. It was very delicious. It was crispy, but it's also tender and juicy. It was quite delicious. What a wonderful surprise. We loved it. I think you will love it also. I think you should try it. So have a good day.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is barbecue chicken in the air fryer. It looks amazing. It tastes good, crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside. You have to try this recipe. It's really delicious and nutritious without grilled or charcoal. Look to the amazing color. Very nice color. Stay with me to see all the steps. We need the chicken legs or drumsticks. I cleaned them before with salt and lemon. Now I add some olive oil, like that my chicken don't stick on the basket of the air fryer. For the seasoning, you add any seasoning you like. For me, I'm using salt to taste, some black pepper, garlic powder. You can use also chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. And I'm using here some of the curry powder. It gives it a really nice taste. Not too much, only a little bit of curry powder. Then I mix everything until all the chicken is coated with the olive oil and the spices. And it's better if you marinate it the night before or a few hours before dinner. Like that your chicken gets all the flavor from the spices. Now, after our chicken marinated for a few hours, I will cook it in my air fryer. You can spray your air fryer with the oil spray, but for me, I use the olive oil in the chicken already. I will not spray it. I will put all my chicken legs or chicken drumsticks in one layer in my air fryer. Like that, all of them will cook even. Be sure that it's only one layer and not too crowded together. Now I put the basket in the air fryer and set up my the temperature and my cooking time. Always for the chicken I use 400 Fahrenheit, or that's 200 degrees Celsius. I started with 20 minutes for the first side. Then after the 20 minutes finish, I will check them out and see how much I can add for the second side. After the 20 minutes, that's the results. The chicken is almost done. It's all, brown and crispy from the first side. Now I will flip all the chicken to the other side to get some color too and get done all even. Now I return my chicken to the air fryer again. I set my temperature to 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now in total it was 30 minutes. My chicken is sizzling. It cooked perfectly, brown from the outside, and it's done. It's really good. Now you take any barbecue sauce you prefer, but I'm using sweet baby Ray's. barbecue sauce. I will use a brush to put my barbecue sauce on the chicken from both sides before that I return it to the air fryer for another 5 minutes. My chicken is all coated with barbecue sauce. It's already looking good and yummy. Now we put the basket again in the air fryer for 5 more minutes. After the 5 minutes over, look to my chicken now. It's the color really nice. It looks amazing, tasty and yummy, this chicken. It took 35 minutes to cook the chicken and glaze it with the barbecue sauce, and it's amazing. It's really good. You can put spices the night before, and when you come back from work, stick it in the air fryer, and dinner it's ready. You can serve it with some salad or potato salad, green salad, or roasted vegetables. It's really good, easy and quick. Everybody will love it in your family. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. See you next time in a new recipe and enjoy.